Hello YouTube! In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how we can calculate percentages or we can find percentages in Microsoft Excel pivot tables. Now, pivot tables are a great way to sort our data. So let's get into the video. So first thing is we need some data. So I generated this data randomly with the random function and then I converted it into values. So I have this data with it's named as clothing store, and I have all the categories on the left side and sales on the right side. So we want to create a pivot table based on this data. So I would select all of it to the bottom, and then I would go insert and choose pivot table. Now I want to create this pivot table in a new worksheet. And there we have it. As we can see, these are our pivot table fields, and if I click on categories, it's going to show me all the categories, and if I click on sales, it's going to show me the sales as well. Now I want these sales to be converted into percentages of the grand total here. So what I would do is I would drag this sum of sales or sales into this section. And there we have another table named as sum of sales 2. So we're going to rename it to percentages for our ease. And now, as we can see, we have our percentages data here. So I would click on this, and here we can see value field settings. I'm going to click on that, and from here you can see we have plenty of options. Now from here we would be able to change our values into percentages, and we want our values to be shown as percentages. We would go to the tab named as show values as, and from here you can see it's selected as no calculations, but we want our data to be percentage of grand total. So we would choose this option and we would hit OK. And there you go, our grand total becomes the 100%, and the rest of the data becomes percentages of the grand total. And if we sum all of it, it will sum to 100%. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.